Dear student, I hope you are well. I am also fine. I think at this moment you stay in your home for COVID-19. I advise to you do not get out from your house. If you get out from your house, you must use the mask. Dear student, you know there are many jobs in our country for earn to live. This day, I discuss with you about the same job. It is the teaching profession. The English first paper, class 7, unit 4, lesson 2, headline or story people who make a different, a teacher part 2. At first, we shall try to know the new words. Word synonym for vacant, empty, empty. Another word, weak, W-E-A-K, weak, dull, weak, dull. Another word, bright. Another word, bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright, brilliant, B-R-I-L-L-I, brilliant, or want, W-A-N-T, want, demand, D-E-M-A-N-D, demand, demand. Another word, position, P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, position or post, position or post, or inspire, I-N-S-P-I-R-E, inspire, inspire, inquiries, inquiries, inquiries. Admire, A-D-M-I-R-E, admire, admire, A-D-M-I-R-E, admire. Admire means praise. Admire means praise. P-R-A-I-S-E, praise. Admire means praise. Dear student, we knew the K words. I describe the story. You listen to my dialogue silently. After my dialogue, you and I discuss about the story. Shahana's husband, Mr. Jamil Huda, works in a company office. His firm has a vacant position. Once several days, he told Shahana, I want you apply for the post. But Shahana said, please don't insist. Insist. I am joining the local high school as a teacher. What do you find in a teaching profession, Shahana? I don't want you to do it. Her in-laws are also on his side. Yet Shahana joined the school against the will of the family. Weeks, months went by. Every day Shahana helps the household work. Every day she works, had to prepare her lesson. Every day she goes to school, teaches her students and helps both weak and bright one. They often come to see her. They often come to her in the teacher's room, in the corridor, and even to the road and talk to her about any academic or personal problems. Within a year, Shahana becomes a very good teacher. Shahana give her salam, students give her salam whenever they see her. Teachers, even the head teacher, admire her. Parents and other people in the community come to see her at home and at the school and pay her great respect. One day her husband said, you have opened my eyes, Shahana. Teaching is more than a job. I didn't know it. Congratulations. Thank you. She smiled. Tell me, Shahana, how you could be such a great teacher? Jamil wanted to know. I don't I don't only teach my students. I care of my students. I love them. I myself demonstrate good behavior and inspire them to be good. That's all I do, replied Shahana. Dear student, I think you listen my dialogue. Now, I shall try to discuss with you about choose the correct answer to each other. Okay. Choose the correct answer to is alternative. Choose the correct answer to is questions. Questions. First, question. What does the word what does the word what does the words what does the word vacant word vacant 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 means 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 uh, number one full 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 or empty TY empty or admit or whole HOL whole or whole WHOLE. Dear student, we knew the keywords vacant synonyms empty synonyms empty. Uh, you your answer is correct. uh, Empty. Another question, uh, what, which one of the following, one of the following, words has a similar, similar, has a similar meaning of, has a similar meaning of admire. Meaning of admire. 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 Avoid laugh. One. Avoid. Avoid laugh. Avoid laugh. Or number three. Ignore. Number four. Praise. 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 My students, yes, my students, you answered the correct answer. Praise. Your answer is correct. Uh, the last chose the best answer. Question number three. Question number three. Who the question number three? Shahana joined joined Shahana joined the school. Shahana joined the school against The will of her relatives, number 1. The will of her relatives, number 2. The will of her parents, number 3. The will of the members of members of her husband, number 4. The will of her in-laws. Dear students, I hope you watching my class silently. Again, I advise you stay in your home, you do not get out. See you again. Goodbye.